Let's look at another important process improvement theme, that is automation. What is automation? The dictionary defines automation as the technique of making an apparatus, a process, or a system operate automatically. We define automation as the creation and application of technology to monitor and control the production and delivery of products and services. The term automation, inspired by the earlier word automatic coming from automaton, was not widely used before 1947 when General Motors established an automation department. It was during this time that the industry was rapidly adopting feedback controllers, which were introduced in the 1930s. Why is automation important? Automation helps reduce production cost. As automated systems work better, faster, and quicker, and may produce processes and products that are defect free, even if the initial costs are high, a quick return on investment outweighs the initial cost. All of the following automation advantages will some way or the other reduce cost of the product or processing of a service request. Reduction in turnaround time. Automation of simple repetitive tasks can result in reduction in turnaround time. Creation of reports in a BPO is a monotonous, repetitive work that has to be done by the MIS teams and the operation teams. Automating the report creation process takes away a lot of repetitive tasks from people who could otherwise be used for more intelligent work, and also helps reduce turnaround time of the activity. Another example could be that the automation of updation after call notes can significantly reduce turnaround time for service request. This in turn results into more calls per agent. Another advantage of automation is that automation results in improved quality and reliability. Automated systems and processes are precise and repeatable, especially in areas where monotony and input provisioning could be a reason for failure or poor quality. Automating those areas could result in better quality and reliability, as automated systems shall always be precise. It ensures that product or processing of service request is done as per the specified requirements without or with minimal human intervention. If automation is tested and verified, it results in zero defect process. Automation can result in better floor space utilization. Automation of simple, repetitive, and high volume tasks can result into faster processing and better floor space utilization, as you may need less number of seats to process the same number of service requests. Importantly, automation results into faster, accurate, and zero defect process. Manual systems can waste both money and time. For example, administrators can spend a breathtaking amount of time searching for misplaced documents in a manual system, costing US companies up to $89 billion each year, according to a 2010 white paper from Brother International Corporation. Automated systems reduce paper and make data storable, retrievable, and searchable. Once automated systems are implemented, the time your employee wastes searching for misplaced documents can be spent on more strategic, value generating activities. Stay competitive. Automation results in reduction in processing time and cost, hence attracts customer and makes organization more competitive. Automation shall help provide the highest throughput with least amount of spending. Example could be that faster and defect-free insurance policy processing and claim settlement due to automation can result into more number of new customers and retention of existing customers. Let's now discuss certain challenges associated with automation. The first, of security threats and vulnerabilities. Sometimes automated systems come in with certain security vulnerabilities and threats. They are prone to hacking. They provide opportunities of security breach. They provide opportunity for security breach. Hence, while you design automation, security must be an important constituent to think about. The second could be technology limits. Technology shall have its own limitations, and with every passing year, technology is getting better. So sometimes your solutioning will be limited because of technology limits. Economic limits. Automation can be costly. The setup cost associated with automation may be too high, and it may take long time period for you to be able to break even for the cost you spent on automation. It is sometimes difficult to predict the development cost of things that you are looking at automating. And finally, automation may have high maintenance cost and highly skilled resource needs, which sometimes in the long period of time becomes a serious challenge. Where to automate? Automation must be installed in operations to reduce turnaround time. Example could be that a simple data entry task could be automated, which in turn would improve accuracy and reduce work handling time. Automation must be installed where high degree of accuracy is required. Automated premium calculators for insurance policy can help save direct financial loss due to human intervention errors. Automation must be installed in tasks that involve hard physical or monotonous work. Monotonous work like data entry jobs with no decision making are difficult to be done repetitively. Hence, this is a good area for one to automate. Automation must be installed in tasks done in dangerous environment, that is fire, space, volcanoes, nuclear facilities, underwater, etc. Performing tasks that are beyond human capabilities of size, weight, speed, endurance, etc. could be automated. Look at small Kaizen events within your own business process to see what repetitive tasks can be automated and help save the time for the process to do something more strategic. Please submit these quick win ideas at the Brainwave and Fusion portal for it to be evaluated. I hope this video on automation helps. Thank you.